Consistent characters are being utilized by countless content creators on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and others to earn money online. These characters appear in storytelling videos, children's books, and even in companies' marketing campaigns. In this video, I'll show you how to create high-quality, captivating, consistent character images for various needs. I'll also share the tips I use to ensure character consistency across different scenes. If you're new here, please subscribe to the channel. I greatly appreciate your support. Without further delay, let's dive right in. We'll be using ChatGPT's models to generate the images. To start, log into your ChatGPT account and navigate to Explore GPTs. From there, search for consistent character. As you can see, there are several options available, each serving a different purpose. For instance, one model is designed for generating multiple consistent characters, while another focuses on creating just one character. For optimal results, be sure to read the brief description of each GPT and choose the one that best fits your needs. Kids' books are a hit on platforms like Amazon and Etsy, and children's channels are in high demand. Many people choose these two GPTs for creating content for kids' books and YouTube channels because they are simple to use and produce high-quality images. Let's begin with this popular model. It's one of ChatGPT's top models because it enables you to generate a consistent character without needing a specific prompt. Simply click on the model and hit the button to start. The description notes that this GPT serves as your creative partner for generating characters in various poses, expressions, and scenes, no prompt required. Just click to begin and follow the steps. If you prefer writing prompts, you can either type or paste your prompt here. But if you don't have one prepared, simply start chatting with the model. It will guide you through the process. First, specify the gender of your character, then provide the character's name, followed by a detailed description. For example, I'll describe a 5-year-old Spanish girl with long, curly brown hair down to her hips, brown eyes, wearing a pink and white 3-piece outfit, and white shoes. Then click to generate. Here's the first image of our character. I'm satisfied with it, so I'll keep it. If the image generated doesn't meet your expectations, you can edit the prompt by clicking here. Adjust the prompt until you're happy with the result. And don't worry, you can always return to previous images by clicking here. Be sure to include details in your description like the character's age, origin, eye color, hair length and style, as well as outfit style and color. These specifics help the GPT generate a consistent and accurate character across different scenes. Once you've created a character you're pleased with, simply click here and provide the character's action, expression, or pose, such as going to school. Occasionally, the model might ask for more details. Just fill in the necessary information and click to generate again. If the generated image doesn't match your expectations or features a different character, you can revise the prompt by adding consistent character, consistent outfit, and the character's name before the action or expression you want. This should improve the results. For creating multiple characters, return to Explore GPTs. Select the multiple character GPT and click here to begin. You can either write the descriptions yourself or ask ChatGPT to generate them. I've prepared my prompt, so I'll paste it here. 2 kids, a boy and a girl. The boy's name is Nolan. He is 7 years old, has short brown hair and green eyes. The girl's name is Lena. She is 6 years old, with long blonde body wave hair down to her hips and green eyes. Nolan is wearing a white short sleeve top, blue shorts, and white shoes. Lena is in a pink short sleeve top, blue shorts, and pink shoes. I'll add 3D Pixar style and 16:9 aspect ratio, since I'm using this image for a YouTube video. But if you don't need large images, feel free to omit the aspect ratio from your prompt. Here's the first image of our characters. If you have a specific style in mind, such as 2D or 3D Pixar style, make sure to mention it at the end of your character description. To change the character's expression, action, or pose, click here and add the desired action or expression, like consistent characters walking or consistent characters eating. Storytelling YouTube channels are growing in popularity. If you're looking to generate images for a storytelling channel, I recommend using this particular model. It helps create vibrant, captivating images with beautiful backgrounds and more intricate details. To create an image, open the model and paste your prompt here. Be sure to include as many specifics as possible, such as the character, outfit, background, and desired style. Click to generate. Here's the first image. To generate another, just type the character's name followed by the desired action, expression, or pose, like Lila cutting her hair. For the best results, copy and paste the image prompt with the reference code provided by the model. Afterward, simply change the action and generate again. Following these 5 tips will help you produce more consistent and accurate characters, not just with this model, but with most AI image generators. That's all for today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions or requests, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.